Step 1. To improve your profile, open your browser and go to www.switchidea.com. Step 2. Once you are on the home page, find the Login option in the top right corner and click on that option. Step 3. A pop-up window will open. Fill in your login credentials. Once you are done with that, click on the Login option. You will be taken to the student dashboard now. Step 4. In the top right corner of the screen, you can see an arrow beside your name. Click on that. Step 5. A drop-down menu will appear now. Choose the Profile option by clicking on it. Your profile will open now. Upload your most recent picture and fill out the necessary information. Step 6. Choose an appropriate title for your profile. Your name and phone number will be auto-filled. Step 7. Select your primary and secondary interest from the drop-down list available. Step 8. Fill in your preferred location. Add your skills, college name and your graduation year. Make sure you add multiple skills. Step 9. Upload your latest resume, as it can be viewed by the employers. Step 10. A little down below, is an option to fill in your availability. This is an important thing. Step 11. Fill in the dates when you are available for an internship. Step 12. Update the convenient time to receive calls if you wish. Make sure you can receive calls at the mentioned time. Step 11. On the bottom of the page, you will find a Save option. Click on it to save the changes.